Hello and welcome back to RPIIT Academics. This is Milind working in Pharmacy Department of RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Bastada Karnal. In this video I am going to explain about infectious agents, or simply you can say different kind of pathogens. So number one is virus. Virus are strand of DNA or RNA wrapped in a protein coating. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA means ribose nucleic acid. Viruses are considered to be living and non-living things. They are considered to be non-living when they are outside of a host. When they enters in a host body, they utilize or make DNA or RNA copy of that using the DNA of the host. They invade a cell or inject their nucleic acid into the cell and then cause the cell to make more viruses rather than the cell's normal function. Another microorganism is bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic means primitive nucleus cells. That means their nucleus is not well developed. Mostly, they are mostly harmless, but some can live and thrive inside the body. Sometimes can be cured by the use of antibiotics, but in case of superbugs, which have arisen due to overuse of antibiotics, they cannot be treated with the help of antibiotics. What are superbugs? So-called superbugs are bacteria that have evolved a resistance to most antibiotics. For example, MRSA, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, is an example. S. aureus is typically found in your skin and can cause pimples, but if you become infected to MRSA, then it may be a life-threatening condition. How do superbugs develop resistance? It's simple, really. In any population, some bacteria may have the genes that make them immune to the effects of the antibiotics. If antibiotics are used, the bacteria that are not immune die, leaving behind only the ones that have those genes. Therefore, all their offspring will have those genes and therefore be immune. Next is fungi. Fungi, very few members of the fungi kingdom can parasitize humans. The ones that can tend to attack the skin, but a few can invade inside the cells. Next is protists. Protists are eukaryotic and microscopic organisms that cause diseases. Example of protista: malaria, which is generally caused by Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, African sleeping sickness, and Giardia. So that's all about the infectious or disease causing agents which can affect humans. Thank you. Have a nice day.